Hey guys, welcome to the pond, or welcome back to the pond. I'm Jelena Prophet with Duck Pond Detailing, and today we're going to be testing out Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus to see if it can clean this dirty car. Alright, so I went ahead and I cleaned the wheels and tires, and now we're going to be moving on to the paint, which, as you can clearly see, it's totally wrecked. It's got pollen on it, it's got water spotting, it's got bird poop on it. This car needs to be clean. So we're gonna get at it, and let's hope that Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus can do something about it. All right, so to get this ready for the foam cannon, I have a little measuring cup. To follow the instructions, the bottle says put 1 to 3 ounces in the foam cannon. I'm gonna try 1 at first, and then we're gonna go up to see if we need to. All right, I'm just gonna fill it up. And typically for a small car like I'm doing today, pretty much about here on the Bare Force foam cannon is enough to do 1 for a pre-foam and then 1 to add some lubrication for the contact wash. All right, so we're gonna shake up our soap. All right, so to get 1 ounce, we're gonna fill up this 15 milliliter mark twice. And the soap isn't super thick, which is nice, because it's easier to get all of it into the foam cannon. We'll mix up. All right, let's get to foaming. All right, so we got 1 ounce in the foam cannon. We're ready to go. All right. All right, let's see what 1 ounce can do. All right, not bad for 1 ounce. I mean, for 1 ounce, it's foam for sure. I'm not running the most expensive foam cannon, but I do have a 1.2 orifice in here. So I mean, it's doing what a snow foam should do. It's just running down the surface. All right. Let's add 2 ounces and see what that does. Okay guys, we got 2 ounces in the foam cannon. Let's see what it does. Okay. Clearly way thicker foam than 1 ounce, and it's really sticky. I mean, okay, so you saw the other one, it ran down the surface, and you can see it literally took me only probably a minute and a half to go put in another ounce in the foam cannon, and it's already gone off the surface. This is still pretty sticky, especially right here, and this isn't a ceramic coated car, so for that to just slide down a little bit, I don't know. But I mean, it's a good thing that, look, it's pulling all the dirt off. I'll get a close-up for you guys so you can see. It is definitely pulling dirt off. I personally like 2 ounces in the foam cannon better. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think? I think 2 ounces is better, but if you want to be more economical, you can put 1 ounce in. It's just not going to be a foam party, foam show, but it does the job. So I'm going to go and foam the rest of the car, and then we'll come back and see how we feel about rinsing. All right, guys, as you can see, it is just pulling that dirt right off. It is sheeting down the surface like we want it to, and it's pulling it off. So that's really good. All right, let's just do a walk around the car so you can see how the foam's doing. It's pretty good. I really like that. All right, so now I'm gonna fill up my bucket with some water and then put 1 ounce of this in so we can get ready for the contact wash. All right, now we got our bucket filled up with some water. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put 1 ounce in. That's half an ounce. And there's an ounce. This stuff, you guys, by the way, smells like fruit punch Kool-Aid. It is, oh my gosh. It's one of the best car soaps I've ever smelled, and holy crap. Just rinsing out my cup, you guys, this stuff is so slick. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That's awesome. Wow. Super foam, you guys. You guys, check out this water beading. This car's not even ceramic coated. That's just Pan the Organizer spray sealant, you guys. And I put this on close to 6 months ago. Still outperforming some of y'all ceramic coatings. I don't know. It's great. All right, couple things. As you could see, the rinse off was really easy. I wasn't struggling to have the soap dissipate in the water. There was no soap that was like stuck onto the paint surface that dried from the sun. Yeah, I mean, this is great. This is a solid soap. It works great as a snow foam. I mean, I don't know if you can see, this car is pretty much, I'd say, 90-95% clean, except for there's like one piece of bee poop right there, but I mean, this car's clean. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna refoam the car. We're gonna go in for a contact wash and we're gonna see how the slickness is. So yeah, I mean, cleaning power, it's got cleaning power, all right. All right, guys, refoamed for some lubrication. We're gonna go in for the contact wash. Okay. All right. For 1 ounce in the foam cannon, I mean, you can see it is slick. Yeah. This stuff is good. Now, it is slick, but it's not the slickest soap I've used. I would say the slickest car shampoo I've ever used is Yum Wash. That stuff is my absolute favorite car shampoo. This stuff is pretty good though. All right, you guys, that completes today's video and that completes the detail. Look at this. Holy cow, this compared to what it was literally 30 minutes ago is insane. This paint is shining, it's glossy, it's clean. It's really clean. As you can see, we got amazing results on the glass, amazing results on the paint. This car is clean. Oh, the air smells really good. It smells like Kool-Aid in the air. My final thoughts on this product, you guys. Number one, foaming. It did great in the foam cannon, and I don't have a super high quality foam cannon. 2 ounces, I'd recommend. If you go to 3 ounces, you're using more product and you'd probably get a lot thicker foam, but it's not necessary. So I think 2 ounces was really that sweet spot for me. And also 1 ounce in the bucket was, wow, it was amazing. It was a really slick contact wash. It was one of the slicker contact washes I've had, but it doesn't beat Yum Cars. I'm sorry. It doesn't beat Yum Cars, you guys. This product also works really great in the direct sun. As you could see before, this part of the car dried in the sun with the soap still on it, and there is no streaking, no water spotting, no nothing. It's amazing. It's great. It had a good amount of dwell time once I had 2 ounces in the foam cannon, and just from foaming and rinsing off, I got 90 to 95% of the dirt off the car already. If I really wanted to, I could have just rinsed the car and dried it and called it a day. But no, because there's still dirt on the car that we can't see. There's still road film and there's still grit on the car. So we always want to go in with a contact wash. And like I said before, that contact wash was really pleasant. I really enjoyed it on the entire car. It smells great and it feels great. And it is a really economical soap. I mean, per wash, you're only using 3 ounces. And I'll put the price up there per ounce and then the price per wash right here in the video. So you can see that it's very economical and you don't really need to put 2 ounces in your foam cannon. You could just get away with 1 ounce. But, you know, I like a little richer, a little thicker foam. But yeah, as you can see, car is shiny, sparkly. If you guys are in the market for a new car shampoo, Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus is the way to go. Smells amazing, works amazing. It is up there in my top 5. I would probably have to put it at number 2. Number 1 is Yum Cars, number 2, Armour Detail Supply, and close second. Just for a second, I want to say thank you to everyone who watched my last video. I really appreciate it. Shout out to Ed Cologne at EC Details. Shout out to Jamie the Cleaner. Shout out to the House of Rags. Thank you guys so much for putting me on your platform in order for me to get my content and channel out there. All right, you guys, thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.